Remember those little countdown calendars that made the season feel magical as a kid? Now imagine opening one filled with art. Hi there, I'm Chris. If you're craving a fun, creative way to celebrate and prepare for Easter this year, I've created something truly special for you. Introducing the Easter Drawing Advent Calendar, a peaceful, month-long drawing journey you can enjoy right on your iPad. Each day you'll open up a brand new illustration lesson like a tiny springtime surprise. Instead of candy, you'll discover a creative treat, cute bunnies, blooming flowers, painted eggs, chicks, ducklings, baskets, and other Easter treasures. Every lesson is a calm, step-by-step video where we sit down together and draw something sweet and joyful. It's a quiet corner of creativity in the middle of busy days. This course is about more than just one cute drawing at a time. You'll learn an easy method for creating artwork that can be reused and combined into multiple projects, building a collection you can mix, match, and transform into cards, scenes, decorations, and more. You're not just learning to draw cute seasonal art, you're learning a workflow that helps you create more, reuse thoughtfully, and feel confident designing complete collections. Whether you're brand new to drawing or have been creating for years, this course is designed to help you slow down, feel inspired, and walk away with both joyful artwork and a practical creative strategy you can use long after Easter is over. If you're ready to welcome spring one adorable drawing at a time, I'd love to have you join me inside the Easter Drawing Advent Calendar. Let's make this season hopeful, joyful, and full of creativity together.